Hello. So now we did a change for the purple Crius bike. The Crius bike, when we bought it, came with this saddle, right? I was told it's got a Velo mini saddle. Velo. Yeah, it looks just like this. Pretty neat. Yeah, but the user of this bike, the purple one, didn't find it absolutely comfortable and managed to get a Brompton saddle. Look at this. Yes, this is a Brompton saddle. And actually, if you look underneath the bike, you can see the words Brompton. Okay, let me try to show you by going down to the site, and below, yeah, you can see the sign over here. Okay, it says Brompton. Yeah, can you see that? Okay, it's a little bit backwards at the moment. Okay, it's easier to show you the saddle from the side, and when I look here, you can see the words, and there, very clearly, Brompton. Yep, Brompton. Okay, so this was a Brompton saddle that somebody was selling, a Brompton bike owner that upgraded the saddle probably. So we bought it and installed it. So the rest of the video, let me show you side by side the two different saddles, right? The Brompton one here, completely black, and the Velo one. Now, according to the user of this bicycle, she finds that the Brompton one is more comfortable for a couple of reasons, right? First, this part at the front, I'm pointing you now, with the Velo is a little bit thinner, okay, so it suits, the fit is better. And more importantly, at the back, okay, this Brompton one, this notch is a bit flatter, but for the Velo, it's a little bit bumpier. If you look by the size, a little bit higher. It kind of like rub the bottom up the wrong way, especially when you're cycling for long distances. So overall, the rider of the purple Crius much prefers the Brompton seat. So thank you, Brompton. And so, but this is a Velo Crius, which came with the Crius Velo Mini. Then she's probably gonna sell it off on Carousel or something. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.